Hey guys, how's it going? So I'm here, I'm packing some orders, and I just want to kind of take you through my process. So obviously things work a little different with the weather. So I package certain things differently depending on the weather. You've probably heard of people shipping off their candles, and then by the time it gets to their destination it melted or whatever, right? And so I want to take extra precautions. So what I do, it does cost me a little extra because I use a little bit more packaging, but to this day I haven't had any issues with candles breaking or melting or anything like that. So I'll kind of just show you my packing process for a couple of these orders that I'm packing. So right now I'm packing my subscription boxes. So I already have it packed in this box here, and typically if weather's good, not extremely hot anywhere in the country or extremely cold, I'll ship it just like this, right in the subscription box. But a couple of these are going to Florida, which is extremely hot, and it's getting that time of year for everyone. So I'll show you kind of what I do. I take an extra shipping box, which I'll grab now. So yes, I kind of put a box in a box. Add my branded tape. So now I'm just putting it in a bigger box, right? So I have my branded tape on it. And this is the key part right here, and I'll kind of bring you a little bit closer to show you, is the packing peanuts. So these I love to pack it with these because these will kind of absorb a lot of the heat that goes in the box. So one, I have the actual box that will absorb the heat, and then the packing peanuts will absorb the heat as well before it even gets to the inner box and the candle that's inside there. And you want to get it all towards the sides. Again, you want to create this barrier. So now you have that barrier on all the walls, all the four walls, and then we'll close it up. Just like that, and then I'll put on the shipping label and we'll ship it out. So I know that's kind of a short video, but I figured that could help somebody, you know, kind of avoid those mistakes, or, you know, having to resend out products that you don't need to, right? So the way I look at it is it costs me a lot more money to send an extra candle that has melted along the way than it costs me to just put it in an extra box to kind of dissipate that heat. So if that helped you, let me know. Otherwise, you know, please like, subscribe to the channel, and you know, I'll see you next time.